In the 2000s, NLP experienced a significant boost when statistical analysis made its way to machine learning-led NLP. Vector embeddings were a key facilitator in this process by transforming words and sentences into numerical arrays, effectively capturing the meaning and relationships within the text data. How does this happen? Well, the great thing about vectors is that they can represent more complex types of information, such as text, images, audio, and other types of unstructured data. For example, each word in a sentence can be represented as a vector and stored in a high-dimensional space called vector embedding. When working with AI models, vector embeddings are typically several hundred to thousands of dimensions deep, not just 2 or 3. When working with AI models, vector embeddings are not 2-dimensional, they're not 3-dimensional, but a few hundred or thousand dimensional. As you can imagine, the meaning of something as complicated as human language can't be captured with 1, 2, or 3-dimensional vectors. Instead, we need hundreds, even thousands of dimensions. The key idea is to use embeddings to store and retrieve data based on semantic similarity. So, text data can be represented through vector embeddings, which serve as a critical enabling factor. Moreover, powerful new ML models emerged, enabling computers to analyze extensive text databases as vector embeddings. These models learned to detect subtle linguistic cues indicating sentiment, like sarcasm or irony, nuances previously elusive to basic statistical methods. The emergence of neural networks in the 2010s revolutionized NLP tasks like translation, speech recognition, and text generation. This is because neural networks, with their deep, multi-layered structures, excel at detecting complex patterns beyond the reach of conventional machine learning methods. Transformer architecture, introduced in 2018, is one of the most recent innovations. It revolutionized the NLP field and led to the creation of large language models. This architecture made the development of LLMs like GPT and Gemini possible. In our next 2 lessons, we'll discuss the crucial topic of language models and the transformative impact of transformers. Thanks for watching.